Prime Minister Modi pays tributes to brave hearts of Kargil War on occasion of 25th Kargil Vijay Divas in Dras. Forum of Autonomous and Territorial Councils of North-East to meet in Shillong to discuss proposed amendment of 6th Schedule of Constitution. Speaker rules slow progress of construction of assembly building due to exodus of migrant labourers. Autumn session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to start from August 23rd. There will be no change in leader of opposition's post, says Speaker. HYC threatens to close down KHADC over rubber factory issue. Council to seek legal advice on land ownership controversy. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid tribute to the heroes of the Kargil War on the occasion of the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas in Dras today. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Modi said Kargil Vijay Divas tells us that the sacrifices made for the nation are immortal. Criticizing Pakistan over the recent terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Modi said Pakistan had failed in all its nefarious attempts in the past but was trying to keep itself relevant with the help of terrorism and proxy war.
1999 को भारत ने घोषणा की थी कि पूरे क्षेत्र को
अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युद्ध के लिए निरंतर योग्य बनाए रखना है। दुर्भाग्य से राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े इतने संवेदनशील विषय को कुछ लोगों ने राजनीति का विषय बना दिया है।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah has assured the 10 autonomous councils and territorial councils from the North-East to resolve all their issues and concerns on the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019, which proposes to amend the 6th Schedule of the Constitution. Addressing the media in New Delhi yesterday, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member Pinyat Singh Aim informed that a forum of the 10 autonomous councils and territorial councils of the North-East will again meet in Shillong on August 10th to further deliberate on the various issues relating to the proposed amendment of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution.
Kekenhun joki Autonomous District Council napo North-East Province berbentuk naduk ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Badalan Territorial Council Kalbi Anglong nangta ka di Mahasau ka Khasi Hills, Gent Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Batmara baru seputuli ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini dari nampak lagi baru kunjuk niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang buat Union Home Minister Amit Shah pan ya pensno penpau ke jing dan kam ke jumi KPD berkaitan Schedule Amendment.
Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has informed that the progress of the ongoing construction of the Assembly building has been affected due to the exodus of the migrant labourers aside from the monsoon. Sangma said this after conducting a surprise inspection at the construction site today. According to him, currently there are only around 60 labourers out of the total 200 workforce which was there earlier. He said that they will not be able to complete the new Assembly building as per the timeline which was given earlier.
We were supposed to have around 200 workforce there, but I could see only around 50 to 60. So I've been trying to ensure that work progress is good enough. In fact, I had also made a surprise visit yesterday, and I'm happy the progress is going okay smoothly. But however, I think because of the recent, some of the laborers are absent. We were supposed to have around 200 workforce there, but I could see only around 50 to 60. So that is hampering the progress of the work.
The 5-day autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be held from August 23rd to 30th. Talking to reporters after the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee here on Friday, Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma informed that there will be no change in as far as the post of the leader of opposition is concerned.
The business BSc meeting was held today, and it was unanimously accepted. The draft calendar that was submitted. So the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be convened on the 23rd of August. Will continue till 30th of August.
The Hnyotrup Youth Council HYC today met PHE Minister Marquis Marak asking the government to allot contract works to local contractors for the new Shillong water supply scheme and other state-sponsored projects. HYC President Roy Kupar Sinram said that the government is constructing the new Shillong water supply scheme at a cost of Rs 1,600 crore, and it is imperative that the government allots some projects to the local contractors.
And it was informed also by the Honorable Chief Minister that this scheme is fully sponsored by the state of Meghalaya from the fund of the state of Meghalaya. So our concern is that every time the state, the government, every department, not only PHE, other department also, whenever they call for a contract, they always call contract in a bigger package where our local contractors are denied to take part in the bidding process also.
Unknown miscreants yesterday hurled stones and a petrol bomb at the residence of one Julie Lingdor at Mauba, Barapathar, where many non-tribals reside as tenants. East Khasi Hills SP Sylvester Nongtnger told reporters that the incident was reported to the police in Jalupara around 7:30 a.m. on Thursday. No arrests have been made and investigation is so on. The SP added.
In charge of Jalupara informed that this morning at about 7:30 to 8, he came to know that somebody miscreant pelted stones, and after that they throw one petrol bomb in Jalupara area. Yes, that petrol bomb is a blast, but then no damage whatsoever. And in this connection, inquiry is still going on. And we'll do everything. We'll leave left stone no unturned. We'll do everything. We'll check it out from all available sources, this and that.
The Hnyotrup Youth Council has threatened to close down the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council if it fails to take action against a rubber manufacturing company named Resource Rubber Private Limited at Mausmai Riboy, accusing the company of illegally operating without renewing of the trading license issued by the council from April this year. HYC President Roy Kupar Sinram said that the executive member in charge trade has sought 1 week time to allow the legal team of the council to study the documents concerning this firm. Meanwhile, executive member in charge trade Giger Mirthang said that the delay in renewing the trade license is due to land ownership controversy, adding that the department is waiting for the opinion of its legal counsel before taking any action against the firm.
Lane kat bom pala ban renew lane ban ay katring license. Teka jingwan ka jongi bani kendu ia mani singi ka long ba ngin penbor ya ka dis council ya ka trade department baka day ban lek khang talano daga dis council ya kani ka chaka. But ngilakran do da ka basay. Bala daga dis council kamla ban pentri kam ya ki bor kat kum balapun ko buar ki kam don jingmut bangindan ni kan ki HDC yang ni hapo nong ba shlong
habete bat kito ki trakhndo namar bangi lo mir mila kulmar namar kimi arngut langut tingila pha shaka district administration ban ai ka clarification la ka de chongno te hadu menta nakaleng ka district administration klem padai ruang bangala yathu bangun hap up ya ka jingai jumi jonggu legal advisor.
Several tourist taxis, including private vehicles from Assam, were stopped from visiting different tourist places in the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya by the Hinyotrep National Youth Front at Umtranga on the way to Sora and Dauki. These vehicles were reportedly asked to turn around and return. They were later allowed to pass through on the intervention of the police.
गवर्नमेंट और आप लोग का यूनियन का सब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है आप लोग कीजिए लेकिन
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the block integrated development complex of Betasing CNRD block on Thursday in the presence of CNRD Minister E.T. Mondal. Chief Minister Sangma acknowledged the collaborative effort behind the project's swift completion and highlighted ongoing efforts to enhance public service delivery. He underscored the significance of improving infrastructure at the grassroots level, ensuring effective governance and public welfare.
바로 얘라고 하이데라 산 그거거든 당았다만 자나바동아 근데 반칭이야 grassroots level로 동급바 오피스 상코 infrastructure는 꼭 남매 다리 자우디 아층이 public나 마문 살로바 남급바 서비스코 온다마 자와.
The Voice of the People Party VPP has expressed gratitude to its supporters in Ribhoi district for supporting party MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan in the recent Lok Sabha elections. Addressing the gathering at Yomolong, Nongpo on Thursday, VPP President Arden Miller Basaimat has expressed confidence in the party's prospects in the upcoming MDC and MLA elections. The event was also attended by VPP MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang.
The Voice of the People Party. Mangiu Paipa Dang Patken Van Pisha Idagatin Tasi Haupra Idan Gajing Net Kabaskem Idan Gajing Snow to Kabaskem Ba Upaipa Hagani Gari Un I Gajingashan Kabakam Kran Shushu Yangi ka Voice of the People Party Hag election Banwan Lagalong MDC Lani Kalong MLA.
Bosco Integrated Development Society organized by a one-day mini job fair in collaboration with Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. The job fair, which was held at the Don Bosco Technical School, was meant especially for the passed-out students of this institute and its branches at Pinding Lawar, Bosco Pnar and Jowai. Don Bosco Technical School Principal Father Shining Star Dakar said that the primary objective to organize the mini job fair was to help people getting employed. Reverend Dr. Robert Conville officially released the Pnar Audio New Testament at a function organized by Pnar linguists at Bishop House in Lumbi Sintu, Sumer, Jowai yesterday. The release of this audio, accompanied by Bible readings and prayers by Temenbasan Herman K. Dingdo, mark a significant milestone for the Pnar speaking community. Users can now access the Pnar Audio New Testament Christian Bible Pnar on the Play Store for Android devices. Thomas Jones Senior College yesterday celebrated its inclusion in the People's College Grant in Aid scheme by organizing a special ceremony at the college premises. The event was attended by Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma during the ceremony. The minister distributed appointment letters to 23 new teachers and 1 librarian. Sangma also honored 6 faculty members who recently completed their PhD degrees. In his address, the minister highlighted the government support for 21 colleges across Meghalaya under the People's College initiative over the past 5 years. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 29 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was recorded at 19 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 71% and relative humidity in the evening was 62%. Rainfall nil and the forecast states moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at a few places. Before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi pays tributes to brave hearts of Kargil War on occasion of 25th Kargil Vijay Diwas in Dras. Forum of Autonomous and Territorial Councils of North-East to meet in Shillong to discuss proposed amendment of 6th Schedule of Constitution. Speaker rules slow progress of construction of assembly building due to exodus of migrant laborers. Autumn session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to start from August 23rd. There will be no change in leader of opposition's post, says Speaker. HYC threatens to close down KHADC over rubber factory issue. Council to seek legal advice on land ownership controversy. Well, viewers, with that, we've come to the end of today's edition of the news. Thank you and have a great evening.